I get some ice? Ice. Oh. Could I get a little more? More? Did you want cubed or crushed? Cubed would be great. Crushed is fine too, I guess. It's fine. Could I just get one more cube, please? Have some ice! Asshole. Have some ice! What's up, everyone? Thanks for watching the video. If you can relate, please let me know in the comments. Give me a like, a subscribe, and of course, share with everyone you know. I'm a small channel and every little bit helps. See you soon.